watered the garden yet?
I am.
Okay, go.
Did you water the garden yet? These cucumbers don't look watered at
I
all.
haven't watered anything.
Oh, dang it. What are you even doing?
Wait, I have an idea. Come here. I've been trying to solve a problem.
My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed your baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.
Oh, lady. Oh, David, did I show you what I found this morning? This is some kind of fungus.
Oh.
So when I was looking on, don't touch it. When I was looking on Facebook about fungus the other day, you're not supposed to touch it till it hardens.
Yo.
But the reason that it happens is because when you have wood chips, if you don't move your wood chips around, a fungus grows.
It's hideous.
Yes, it's horrible. Now, the lady, she did say you could remove it, and I'll remove this one because it's too disgusting for words.
Look at it. It looks like brains.
What you want to do is, though, you don't want to disturb it and break it up. So you got to take it all in one piece.
Ooh, terrible.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Want to look at the bottom of it?
Look at that. Oh, what a horror film.
Yeah. So you want to get it all in one piece. She said, you don't want to...
Terrible.
Yes. So you're supposed to rake your mulch around on a regular basis.
Sounds about right. We put the chickens in there. Little baby chicks.
Oh yeah, we could put the baby chicks in there and let them scooch around.
Yeah.
That's
it. Don't worry.
David, because I'm worried that our cucumbers are going to get our watermelons are going to get heavy, we should put a cross plastic beam, and then I'll use the stocking thing and tie it to the cross beam.
Oh, why not just put a cross rope and do that same idea?
Because you have to have the stocking. Oh, the rope won't be strong enough because you got to have the stocking, and then you tie the stocking onto it.
Look, there's two!
No, there's more than two. There's lots.
Oh, so we need a second beam. You know what we need? We need to put a cross beam to make it so that it's sturdy enough to hold the slings for each of these cute little watermelons.
That's what I said.
That's not what you said. All right, so we need a cross beam.
Yeah, so we need at least one there. We're probably going to need 1, 2, and then put 2 on that one, and then put 2 on this one, because this is actually going to be holding pumpkins.
Well, but we're not growing the pumpkins up.
Well, this is going to be holding watermelons.
Yeah, I think we really just want to hold the watermelons up. And really, it's really just to get most of the vines up. But
yeah, I want the watermelons to be off the ground, because last year, so many of them got water. I want to see the bugs got into them. Yeah, from the so this time
ground rot.
We're gonna
elevate.
Yeah. Oh, and come closer and look at our.
There's so many watermelons.
Remember the melon plant we got from the lady? Well, there's one starting now. That honeydew melon.
Where? I don't see it.
That way, right there.
No.
It's right there.
Where? Here, let me go in there.
Let me point to it.
Oh, there it is. Now I see it. Can you guys see it?
So I'm pretty sure there's more, but that's the one that I saw.
Oh, okay.
So everything's going to be starting.
Look at our garden. It's starting to explode.
Yeah, probably in August you'll be able to do that.
To eat outside for a month?
Yeah. And then our amaranth. How many people grow amaranth and eat amaranth as leaves?
Oh, like salad?
Yep. I think you got to eat the smaller leaves because the bigger leaves are bitter.
Well, you got to cook the bigger leaves?
No, but I know I bit into the bigger leaf and it was disgusting, but the smaller leaves were fine.
Look at our eggplant situation. Everything's coming up daisies.
Coming up daisies? I thought they were eggplants.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.